Are electric drums worth getting? Yes, absolutely. To start this video, I thought we would take a look at some drum kits. This is a drum kit for an advanced player. It's worth in the region of £2,000. This next drum kit is an intermediate drum kit that is worth £1,000. And this drum kit is a beginner kit. It's worth £400. The main benefit of an electric kit is the noise. You can control the volume and you can wear headphones. Whilst you'll still hear the taps, you can control the volume and it's much quieter than an acoustic drum kit. The next big benefit is the space. Electric drums don't take much of a footprint and they're small and compact. Electric drums are portable and lightweight. For example, I transport my beginner drum kit to and from schools each and every day, and the drum kit folds up nice and neatly into the car. Electric drums are durable. They last for a very long time. For example, I've had my intermediate drum kit for well over 10 years now. One word of warning, and do keep your electric kit out of sunlight as the pads will fade. One of the big benefits of an electric kit is the inbuilt features. They usually come with a metronome, lots of different drum kit sounds and play along music as well. It's lots of fun, especially for a child and ultimately adults as well. Things to consider buying. Does the electric kit come with a speaker? Does it come with a stool? How about a music stand? Does it come with a bass drum pad? A lot of beginner kits won't come with a bass drum pad and just 2 foot pedals. That is fine. Maybe the bass drum pad is something you want to consider as an add-on, as an extra, a little bit later down the line. I'd also consider buying a carpet for the drum kit to sit on. In terms of budget, if you're buying from new, I'd expect to buy a beginner kit for around £200 to £300. If you're buying from new, I would recommend online shopping with Gear 4 Music, an online website that I've used numerous times and rate highly. Or if you want to go into a drum shop, Graham Russell Drum Shop in Fareham, if you're based in the south of England, Fareham in Hampshire is, I'm led to believe, the largest drum shop in the UK. Super helpful staff, and bring a heavy wallet because you'll end up buying lots of stuff. It is like drummer heaven in there. In terms of brand recommendations, Roland is good, Alesis is good, Yamaha is good, or even the Gear 4 Music own brand is also good. Electric kits are available to buy second hand. You'll find that you'll get a much cheaper rate. You'll get a bargain on places like Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, eBay. Like anything second hand, does it come with all the parts? What's the overall condition like? Have you got a friend that you could phone up or take with you and visit who knows a little bit more about the drums and can give you good sound advice? One word of warning, it can be a little bit of a faff putting together an electric kit. Allow yourself plenty of time and patience, although to be honest with you, this is probably more to do with my lack of DIY skills than anything else. Hopefully I've answered all your common questions. Feel free to get in touch if you've got any more. No question is a silly one. My email is support@drumwithalex.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.